Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the clip that has Warp Stabilizer active, open the timeline and click it. Once selected, open Effect Controls so you can see Warp Stabilizer and its Analyze progress. You should duplicate the clip now, make a backup on the track above, because removing the effect is irreversible to that clip state. This step prevents lost work and ensures you can compare stabilized versus original motion once you remove the effect and move on to the next action. Now focus on stopping analysis if Premiere is still processing. Click the Analyze Progress bar and cancel. Next, select Warp Stabilizer inside Effect Controls and press Delete to remove the effect entirely. This restores the clip's original transform parameters. If you have multiple clips, select them in the timeline, right-click and choose Remove Attributes, then uncheck everything except Warp Stabilizer to batch remove. Do this carefully. Once removed, Premiere will no longer use the stabilization data. Once done, play the timeline and inspect motion to verify the warp stabilization is gone and the clip behaves as expected. If you see sudden jumps or scale changes, check the clip's transform keyframes. Sometimes Warp Stabilizer left stray scale, position, or rotation keyframes. Remove or smooth them. If playback still looks wrong, make sure you switch back to the duplicated backup you made earlier. That copy preserves pre-stabilized frames, and reverting to it resolves most issues without reprocessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.